Okay, I will give you 2 minutes to finish if remain, otherwise I will start the next. Okay, I will stop and will start the presentation. Okay, shall I start presenting the screen? Nozzle name is not clear. Okay, rotating pipe, and this one is a nozzle, sprinkling nozzle. Sprinkling nozzle. I will read all the names. That is rotating pipe, sprinkling nozzle, air pipe, completed compressed air, and below that under drainage system collected treated effluent. This is the influent sewage, and compressed air, filter media. Okay, two sides there are the air pipes. At the center there is a collection. Sorry, I can say it is a influent pipe. Okay, so from bottom we are taking influent up to the top, and from that, with the help of pipe, we are sprinkling on this surface of the at the top of this filter media, and it will sprinkle uniformly with a particular RPM we can provide. So this will help, and that's why we are usually constructing the trickling filter in a circular shape. It becomes easy to simple in a uniform way. Instead of rectangle, we go for the circular type of trickling filter. So I will show you here in the figure. Yeah. From current slide, I am going to present. Okay, this flow chart we discussed now. And while discussing flowchart, I explained some of the things in the process or the working. So you can see here figure, trickling filter. This is the rotating influented distributor. Then dome enclosed. Sometimes it is closed the system, or it will be open system. Okay, this is the filter media, and by gravity, the water sprinkled on the surface of this filter media by the nozzle will be percolated towards the ground, towards the bottom. Okay, and that can be collected through that under drainage system, and it will be sent towards the that is the secondary clarifier. Okay, then the treated effluent will go for the nearby water body or on the land as a wastewater, and this some quantity of water we are going to recycle as an influent to the trickling filter along with the new influent after the primary clarifier. And these are the air pipes provided to keep the environment aerobic. Trickling filter as well as activated sludge process, both the processes are aerobic process. Aerobic process in the sense both the in both the system or in both the process, the decomposition performs in presence of oxygen, is it? So that's why we can say both the systems are the aerobic systems. Okay, have you understood this process now? We'll go to the next point, and I will show you. I'm trying to explain the working and function with the help of different figures. You can see here section or 3D diagram in short. I can say you. This is the influent pipe. It is coming to the top. and this is the rotating pipe through which water is being sprinkled on throughout the surface of the rocks, and this will be percolating towards the bottom, and under drainage system nicely shown here, under drainage system through which you can collect the filtered water. Okay, see here, see this figure properly, then we'll go to the next point. Next figure. Understood? This is going to be rotate continuously. Whatever the direction we fix, it will keep on rotating. So because of that, continuously after a particular time span, it is going to be spread on each and every rock. Are you getting? Okay, shall I show the next? Here, see, practically you can see how this will be look like. Is it? So continuously it will be rotating, and continuously it will spreading water on the surface of this rock media. So that this trickling filter usually constructed under the ground up to the surface level. It becomes easy to handle, and you can simply sprinkle water, and the water will be percolated towards the ground, and from bottom you can collect the treated effluent, and that you can send it for the further fluid treatment process. I think you understood, or you are able to imagine how it works. Okay, with this assumption, I will request you to write about the trickling filter. Okay, please write down. Trickling filter, in a bullet form you should write down. Trickling filter. Trickling filter is an attached growth process. Trickling filter is an attached growth process First point you please note down. Trickling filter is an attached growth process. Attached growth biological treatment process, you can say. Next point, it is used to remove. It is used to remove organic matter. It is used to remove organic matter. It is used to remove organic matter from wastewater. Trickling filter consists of a bed of a highly permeable medium to which microorganisms are attached. And through which wastewater is percolated or trickled and hence Name is given trickling filter. Name is given trickling filter. Next point. The filter media is usually consists of either rock or variety of plastic packing material. Either rock or variety of plastic packing material. Next point. The size of rock varies between 25 to 100 mm in diameter. Depth of bed, next point, depth of bed. These are nothing but the design parameters. You should remember, underline. Depth of bed varies between 0.9 to 2.5 meter. 0.9 to 2.5 meter. An average of 1.8 meter. And an average of 1.8 meter. Trickling filter, next point. Trickling filter are usually circular in shape, and the liquid wastewater is distributed. Over the surface, over the top surface of the bed, by rotating distributor. The filters are, next line write down, the filters are constructed with under drainage system for collecting the treated wastewater. This under drainage system sometimes acting as Kiran Giri, what is the problem? Okay, this underlying system is important for both purpose, that is distribution of air and collection of treated effluent. That is distribution of air and collection of treated effluent. The trickling filter is also known as percolating filter or sprinkling filter. In this system, sewage is allowed to sprinkle or trickle. Sewage is allowed to sprinkle or trickle over a bed full stop. The biological film is formed around the filtering media. The biological film is formed around the filtering media. Full stop. Usually the color of this film is greenish, yellowish or blackish. Depends upon the type of sewage. Okay, greenish, yellowish or blackish. Okay, now one phenomena I will explain on the board and then we'll go for the next point. Okay, I think you have understood that phenomena in a water supply engineering while studying the rapid chem filter. Okay, I need to stop the presenting slides, then only I will be able to show you a board. Okay, just watch the board. Are you able to see the board? Okay, now we saw that water is sprinkled from the top and there are number of filters, rocks are there, and through which the water is being percolated towards the ground bottom, and it will be collected by using the under drainage system. But while passing water through this portion, whatever the organic impurities are there will keep on attaching. That first microbial growth will start here. Okay, that initial microbial growth will start consuming the organic impurities present into that sewage. Okay, the water is flowing in between the passage available between two rocks or two filter media, between the passage, or I can say void space present between the two rocks. Okay, so because of that, what happens? A slimy sticky layer is formed around the surface of this particular filter media, and that slimy sticky layer is nothing but the growth of microorganism, and that microorganism grow here, and we are providing oxygen through the oxygen air pipe, and because of that the aerobic environment forms in the particular tank. Is it aerobic environment forms, and the microorganisms which are used here for the decomposition purpose are the aerobic microorganisms, and because of that we are providing sufficient amount of oxygen to them. Now, so this process continues, and the decomposition process also continues, and because of that the microbial growth is also keep on going on, and the layer around the surface of that particular filter media goes on increasing. The thickness of that layer goes on increasing. Now with the surface, vertical surface, I will show you. So this is the surface of the filter media, and these are the microorganisms grown on the surface of the filter media. So because we are providing oxygen into this passage, this environment is an aerobic environment, and due to aerobic environment, decomposition performs, and as new passage is it. So the microorganism will consume the organic impurities present into that sewage and will remove from that water, and the free from organic impurities water will go down, and now that organic impurities are in the stomach of microorganism. But what happens? There is a metabolism process, and new microorganisms are also coming along with the new water, and hence the thickness of that particular layer goes on increasing. Because these microorganisms are aerobic microorganisms and we are providing sufficient amount of oxygen, they are capable to hold this filter media. They can hold the filter media, but after some time, the पकड़ पाहिजे असते त्यांना धरायला त्या particular rock ची. So we are providing oxygen. They are alive. They are consuming organic impurities, and they are holding that particular rock or the filter media. But what happens as the thickness increases? Again, I will draw the same figure here because this is more glimpses created. As time passes, it will start increasing the thickness. It will start increasing the thickness of that layer, slimy sticky layer, and formation of that slimy sticky layer, it is known as the SCHMUTZ, exact spelling I will dictate while dictation, scumdeck formation. This is known as the scumdeck formation. And once the layer increases, what happens? A sufficient oxygen will not reach to the base of that particular layer. It will not reach to the particular layer. Means it will be like this thick layer will form. Oxygen will reach here. It may not penetrate up to this, and because of that, anaerobic environment is creating near to that particular rock. And because of anaerobic environment, the microorganisms will get died, and automatically they will lose their control to hold the filter media, and they will start detaching along with the flow of new incoming water, and they will fall down. That will fall down, and that's why the collected effluent at the under drainage system will include the treated effluent and the flocks. And this deformation process is known as the slogging process, SLOUGHING, slogging process. Formation is known as the scumdeck formation, and detaching is known as the slogging process. Okay, so this way, this system is separating the organic impurities from the wastewater. Are you getting? Here also we are taking the help of microorganisms. In the activated sludge process also we are taking the help of microorganisms. I think our time is about to end and I should take the attendance. So we'll stop here. If you want to watch, you can keep on watching. I will take the attendance. Yeah, as the attendance time has come, the attendance has, the number of attending students has increased to show their attendance. Okay, but continuously I am watching you people. One thing you should remember that in a future, never ever you are going to study this part. You may get degree easily, but never ever you will get a chance to study this part, not only the environment, all other subjects. Okay. Okay, I told you that I will mark absent those who are not responding, but this time I will give a last chance to understand. Okay, now I will call the present numbers from division A, roll number 36, 6, 14, 15, 22, 65, 68, 56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 34, 35, 37, 38, 43, 51, 53, 58, 64, and 19. Okay, from division B. Let me check. 19 is from division B or division A. Okay. 30 division B attendance 33, 27, 64, 12, 9, 40, 49, 55, 38, 40, 49, 52, 1, 11, 20, 24, 24, 25, 29, 31, 53, 54, 61, 43, 67, 13, 2, 3, 10, 19, 42, 56, 63, 8, 22, 35, 5, 6, 7, 12, 64, 12, and the 46 and 26 are the absent numbers from the, sorry, are the present numbers from the division B. Okay, here I declare the session is over. Those who want to claim their attendance, they can continue, others can leave. Division A 65, 49, 48. अरे बाबा सगळेच टाकायला लागलात तर मग कन्फ्युजन होऊन जाईल, मी कोणाचंच लिहिणार नाही, उगीच टाकू नका. 68, 55, 37, 64, 24, 64, 24, 40, 25, 22, 18, 12, 23, 9, 46, 47, 25. Six. Okay, guys, now you can leave.